much, nothing too much, you know what I'm saying? I can't go too crazy because it's a state police station up here, you know what I'm saying? So them motherfuckers they be chilling and shit right over here in the cut. People really don't be like doing much out here, you know what I'm saying? Bruh, it's old folk out here and they drive slow as hell. Like they really drive slow as hell. I don't know if that's a damn police or not. That's a little scat pack though. So many undercover cops now. You don't know what's a police and what's not a police no more. Bro, I done seen Equinoxes, I done seen Honda Civics, Honda Accords, I done seen Odysseys, Siennas. Like I done seen all them shits as undercover cops. And that's the shit I don't understand. Like, how's that shit not illegal? Shift this thing into the manual mode, go around some of these curves. Got the little hookup on tires and shit. I got mine on here, my Michelin Pilot Sports, for like $400, dude. Like, this shit get it, bro, and that's up a hill. Back up these hills like that no more though, you know what I'm saying? I gotta preserve the life of this engine, bro. The M56 or the 5.6 engine, it's a good engine, don't get me wrong, but bro, just like any other V8, as people would know, any other V8, bro, you have your problems. Like any V8, any V8, bro, is gonna have its problems. It's gonna have, in most cases, oil issues or some type of fluid issue. At the end of the day, bro, you sacrifice some of that reliability for some of this power that you can get out of these cars, man. This one in particular though, it ain't like, you can't mod this as much as other V8s. Like, you can't mod this as much as a Challenger or You can't mod this as much as a Corvette or something like that. Not because you just really can't do it. I mean, it's difficult, yes, but there's just not a lot of R&D for this car, bro. Like there's not a lot of R&D for this market of vehicle. Again, the Challenger, the Charger, they are a little different. They do have that R&D shit. Even the G37, the Q60s, you know what I'm saying, the VR platform, the VQ platform, they literally have a market for modability. You know what I'm saying? These cars do not have that same market for modability. I wish that it was. You know, I've seen one dude on YouTube do a rear mount turbo. I've seen one dude swap the GTR platform into his M56. I mean, and honestly, bro, like, those are all good ideas. Like, I would love to do a supercharger kit, or I'd love to do a rear mount turbo, or, you know what I'm saying, something like that. But that shit is costly, and it's gonna take some time too. Like, it ain't just something that you just, you know, you just do. Little Camaro right there. I don't think he want no smoke though. I don't think he ready for no smoke. Shit, we ain't really on the road to do that, but yeah, bro. Like I said, it's just not a lot of modability with this car. Hopefully I can continue to do some more things to it and make it to where I'm even more pleased with it than I already am, which I am pleased with it. You know, this car actually fits my personality. It fits everything that I'm about. Just haven't been on YouTube as much, man. I do appreciate everybody that subscribed, every new subscriber, everybody from the past that's been watching my, you know, like my car reviews and anything else that I've posted. But like I said, it's just time. It's a time factor. You know what I'm saying? Like, niggas don't have time enough anymore to do some of the things that he's wanted to do. Make it through day by day, you know what I'm saying? But y'all continue to try to get me to that 1,000 subscriber mark, man. That's what I need. The more that y'all subscribe, the more that y'all like, the more that y'all watch, like, the more content that I'll be able to make in the long run, you know what I'm saying? Because one, it's gonna motivate me. Two, not, you know, just not motivate me. Like, two, it's gonna end up paying me. Three, like, you know what I'm saying, like, y'all will be more happy by watching stuff like this, because, like, I drop good content for y'all, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all haven't already, man, hit that subscribe button. Please share some videos or something, man. Hit the like button, comment, say something, you know what I'm saying? You ain't even gotta say nothing, just put an emoji or something down there, like a little flame emoji, if you really watching this, like, you know what I'm saying? I do appreciate y'all, man. I wanna continue to make this content, man. Look at that gas mileage, 16 miles to the gallon. That is not that great, but shit, for a V8, that's not that bad either. I have been on the highway all day though.